So how can you enable or disable Face ID for private browsing in a Safari on your iPhone? Let's get started. If this is your first time here on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials which I don't want you to miss. So let's get started. And the way that it works is that you have to go to the settings like that. And from the menus and all of that, just go to the bottom and find apps like this. So just find apps. And from all of the things which show up, I want you to, of course, go to the Safari settings. And there are plenty of different things you might be interested in, right? So you can scroll through all of the regular setting pages and whatnot. But I want you to go and find the section where you can see require Face ID to unlock private browsing. So that's just one toggle. It's in the privacy and security menu in the Safari settings. And it's, as I said, one toggle. So make sure it is turned on if you want your phone to lock the private browsing. So it would mean that you would be still have the option to go to the private browser, but then you would need to scan your face to actually continue browsing or, to even start it to begin with. So that's how it works. Obviously, make sure that you have your Face ID set up generally for your iPhone, like for unlocking the phone to begin with, but that's how you can do this. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos. So yes, stay tuned and I'll see you then.